Hello guys, in last lecture I taught you about the pointwise convergence of sequence of function, and in this video lecture we will discuss about the uniform convergence of sequence of function. So here is a definition. A sequence of function f and x is said to be uniformly convergent or converges uniformly on an interval closed interval ab to the function small fx if for each epsilon greater than 0 and for all x belongs to closed interval ab there exists an integer which is independent from the value of x and depends on epsilon such that for all x belongs to interval mod of fnx minus fx is less than epsilon for all values of n which are greater than equal to capital N. So main difference between the definition of pointwise convergence of sequence and uniform convergence of sequence is that in pointwise convergence the value of integer n is depend on both the values of x and epsilon, while in the definition of uniform convergence integers n only depend on the value of epsilon. That means the condition fnx minus fx is less than epsilon satisfy for all n which are free from x or which are free from the value of x. It is clear that by the definition of uniform convergence that every uniform convergence sequence is pointwise convergent and the uniform limit function fx is same as the pointwise limit function. The difference between two concepts is that in case of pointwise convergence for each epsilon greater than 0 and for each x belongs to interval there exists integer capital N depending on epsilon and x both, whereas the uniform convergence for each epsilon greater than 0 it is possible to find one integer depends on the value of epsilon alone such that the mod of fnx minus fx is less than epsilon. Now we will understand the above concept with the help of the one example. In this example we have to prove that the sequence of function fnx where fnx is defined as x to the power n is uniformly convergent in the interval closed interval 0 to k where k is strictly less than 1 but not uniformly convergent in closed interval 0 to open interval 1. So first of all we will we take the interval 0 to k. So fnx is equal to x to the power n for all x belongs to 0 to k, and we find the limit of sequence of function when x lies between 0 to 1 is equal to 0, because we know that whenever the value of x is less than 1 then x to the power n always goes to 0 when n tends to infinity. Now let epsilon is a positive number such that mod of fnx minus fx is equal to is less than epsilon. because the value of fnx is x to the power n and the value of fx is 0, So that means mod x to the power n is less than epsilon. Now taking log both sides, we get n log x is strictly less than log epsilon. Now multiplying this equation by minus sign, we get n log 1 upon x is strictly greater than log 1 upon epsilon, because minus sign shift under the log function, and we get these values. And this implies n is greater than log 1 upon epsilon whole upon log 1 upon k. For x is equal to k, we know that log 1 upon epsilon upon log 1 upon k, this value always greater than equal to log 1 upon epsilon or log 1 upon here x. This is x, not k, for all x belongs to closed interval 0 to k. So if we take the greatest integer value of log 1 upon epsilon, log 1 upon k is equal to capital N, then we get the mod of fnx minus fx is less than epsilon for all n greater than equal to capital N. That means the value of capital N is only depend on the value of epsilon, not on k. For all x, this value is fixed. So fnx is uniformly convergent on closed interval 0 to k, as the value of capital N only depends on epsilon, not on the value of small x. Now if we replace the interval closed interval 0k by 0 1, open here, then the sequence fnx is not uniformly convergent, because in that case for all x belongs to 0 to 1, we cannot find a particular n for which capital A this equation satisfies. Why? Because when x is the point neighborhood point of 1, when x is neighborhood point of 1, then log 1 upon x tends to log 1, and value of log n we know that is equal to 0. In that case, log 1 upon epsilon whole upon log 1 upon x tends to infinity. So when in place of k if we put 1, and this is open from this side, interval is open, then the sequence of function fnx is not uniformly convergent, because in the neighborhood of point 1 that this value goes to infinity. That means we cannot find capital N such that whenever n is greater than capital N, this value satisfies. Now next problem is test for uniform convergence of the sequence of function where fnx is equal to nx whole upon 1 plus nx square x square. First of all, we will find this limit of function. For that we will take limit n tends to infinity and we get the value 0. Now let epsilon is any positive number such that fnx minus fx is less than epsilon. Now taking the value of fnx and fx, we get the mod of this value is less than epsilon, and this equation satisfy, this inequality satisfy for all n greater than some particular n and for all x. So if we take x is equal to 1 upon n and epsilon is equal to 1 upon 3, then mod of nx upon 1 plus n square x square is equal to, put x is equal to 1 upon n here, 1 upon 1 plus 1, it gives us value 2, which is not less than 1 by 3. So this inequality does not satisfy. So fnx is not uniformly convergent here.